Hi, I'm Jake, and on this episode of Rig Rundown, we're looking at Sherwood's cute little 6-inch benchtop jointer. So you might be looking at this cute little fella and thinking, who on earth could possibly utilise this? Well, I'll tell you exactly who. For luthiers especially, you're always working with smaller boards. If you find that you picked up some recycled stuff, or you've had some stuff out in the shed for too long that's warped a little bit, perfect opportunity. If you are a chippy, especially if you're doing parquetry, and you've got shorter boards that you've got to work with, some of them, they're not always flat, perfect opportunity again. Marquetry, for anyone working with veneers, thin or preferably thicker, but veneers as well. You can always get a straight edge and a flat surface in a pinch. If you're a cabinet maker and you're out on site trying to fit all your fillers, your panels, sometimes your bench tops as well, when you're using the corded or the cordless planer, it will give you a tennis player's forearm strength. This is another way to alleviate it. It's very portable, it's very easy to take out on site. It's also a great little tool for box makers, picture framers, anybody working with very small material that absolutely has to be completely flat and square. You'll find an absolute plethora of ways to utilise this. You might be looking at it thinking it's pretty gutless, but in the heart of this mighty beast sits a motor that runs at 1100 watts and 240 volts. The cutter head itself will be spinning at 10,000 RPM, which is more than enough to take off any kind of material that you throw at it. The table itself measures approximately 725 millimeters and 152 millimeters max planing capacity width-wise. The fence adjusts to 45 degrees, all the way up to 90, obviously. And the cutting depth itself, a max of 3 millimeters per pass. It also has 2 knobs on the cutter head itself. Adjustment-wise, it's a screw knob. It adjusts all the way down for a 3 mm depth of cut maximum. And it also features a 2.5-inch dust port that comes with a collection bag, but I would always recommend that you hook up your shop vac or your dust extractor. Weight-wise, it's extremely portable, which makes it great for either storage or taking it out on site. As you can see here, weighs nothing. You've got a spring-loaded blade guard on top and your depth of cut gauge just on the front there. And that's it for another video. So for more information, hit the links below. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the page to help us grow. I'll see you in the next video.